Friends, I am Akhilesh Raj from the Orator Institute of English Language at Pune, Delhi. So today we will do fluency test. Are you ready, students?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
आज हम लोग करेंगे fluency test. If you want to talk to anyone, so we will have to speak very fast. Suppose that if you are talking to the English, so you will have to speak very fast. That's why you need to get a fluency. The fluency is most important for good communication. Be a well speaker. So anyhow, you'll have to get the fluency. So how will you get the fluency? Let's see some example. I have just given you some structure. You will have to speak 20 sentences to each structure, and you will have to speak very fast. So I am just giving to chance first. Siddharth, please come and speak. These are some structures. 8 structure given. So you must speak about all 20 sentences. Yes, speak.
Do you play cricket? Do you play table tennis? You go to abroad? Do you earn money? Do you do job? Do you come to theater? Do you learn English in theater? Do you speak fluently? Do you speak fluently? Do you speak with just? Do you operate the computer? Do you operate the flat? Do you use the mobile? Do you run on the? Do you run on the road? Do you come to school? Do you buy a property on the alley? Do you kick me? Do you abuse me? Do you speak fluently? Do you speak fastly? Do you speak slowly? Do you Chandigarh? Do you Chandigarh? Do you go to village?
Okay, next structure. Did
you play cricket? Did you play tennis? Did you earn money? Did you do jobs? Did you come to theater? Did you learn English in theater? Did you speak fluently? Did you speak fluently? Did you speak just? Did you operate the computer? Did you use the mobile? Did you speak fluently? Did you speak fast? Did you speak slowly? Did you prepare for the exam? Did you Chandigarh? Did you watch horror movie at night? Did you watch horror movie at night? Did you sleep at night? Did you get up quickly? Did you get
okay,
up?
well done, very good. Next,
Will you play cricket? Will you play table tennis? Will you sing a song? Will you operate the computer? Will you watch horror movie at night? Will you abuse me? Will you take liquor? Will you take tea? Will you abuse me? Will you sleep at night? Will you get up quickly? Will you speak fluently? Will you speak fluently? Will you speak with just? Will you operate the computer? Will you use one?
very good. Next,
Are you a doctor? Are you engineer? Are you a scientist? Are you a pilot? Are you an engineer? Are you an author? Are you a peon? Are you a junk dealer? Are you a milkman? Are you a postman? Are you a IPS? Are you a scientist? Are you a police? Are you a thief? Are you a teacher? Are you an actor? Are you a wrestler? Were you a teacher? Were you an engineer? Were you a scientist? Were you a hawker? Were you a juggler? Were you a milkman? Were you a postman? Were you a doctor? Were you an engineer? Were you an author? Were you an astrologer? Were you an accountant? Were you a singer? Were you a magician? Were you a
very
musician?
good. Next,
Can you play guitar? Can you play table tennis? Can you sing a song? Can you do job? Can you earn money? Can you come to theater? Can you learn English in theater? Can you speak fluently? Can you speak with just? Can you abuse me? Can you do dishes? Can you speak fluently? Can you speak fluently? Can you speak fastly? Can you beat me? Can you abuse me? Can you get up quickly? Can you sleep at night?
good. Next,
Is the fan? Is the table? Is the clock? Is the computer? Is the mouse? Is the poster? Is the blackboard? Is the whiteboard? Is the pen? Is the shoe? Is this of jeans? Is the pants? Is this the table? Is this a stool? Is this a floor? Is this a stair? Is the table? Is this a ground?
very good. Next, last.
Is that a table? Is that a fan? Is that a wall? Is that a poster? Is that a mic? Is that a phone? Is that a laptop? Is that a mouse? Is that a rubber? Is that a pencil? Is that a pen? Is that a chair? Is that a floor? Is that a stair? Is that a stool? Is that a podium? Is that a mic? Is that a floor? Is that a formula? Is that a
very good. कहाँ सोया रहा था? ये खत्म हुआ तो बंद करना चाहिए. Yes, I'm going to give the next chance. Bikesh, come here.
Do you go to college? Do you mow the floor? Do you get up? Do you sing a song? Do you tie the knot? Do you not the tie? Do you mow the floor? Do you do this? Do you go to college? Do you fetch the milk? Do you consult to doctor? Do you hurt the color? Do you sing a song? Do you go to partner? Do you sit on the chair? Do you sing a song? Do you eat the wine? Do you watch a movie? Do you speak politely? Do you tie the knot? Do you speak politely? Do you go to partner? Did you watch the flag? Did you walk the floor? Did you watch a movie? Did you fetch the milk? Did you go to bed? Did you eat the wine? Did you sing a song? Did you watch a movie? Did you note the tie? Did you tie the knot? Did you do this? Did you drive a car? Did you ride a bike? Did you sit on the chair? Did you operate the computer? Did you speak politely? Did you speak politely? will you go to Patna? Will you mop the floor? Will you do dishes? Will you sing a song? Will you use the mobile? Will you sit on the chair? Will you sit on the chair? Will you sing a song? Will you tie the knot? Will you speak politely? Will you speak politely? Will you watch horror movie? Will you watch English movie? Will you note the time? Will you tie the knot? Will you speak politely? Will you fetch the milk? Will you use the mobile? Will you go to mosque?
Next, Ijama. Next, anyone can?
Can you use the mobile? Can you mop the floor? Can you watch a movie? Can you use the mobile? Can you do dishes? Can you sing a song? Can you note the time? Can you tie the knot? Can you go to college? Can you watch a movie? Can you do dishes? Can you fetch the milk? Can you go to garbage? Can you use the mobile? Can you sing a song? Can you get job? Can you do job? Can you go to college? Can you catch the girl? Can you join the call center? Can you go to Patna?
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो जैसा आप देख चुके हैं 2 स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑलरेडी स्पोक कर चुके हैं फ्लुएंसी टेस्ट का. अब आई एम जस्ट गिविंग टू चांस. प्रिया यू मस्ट स्पीक 20 sentences to every structure. Please speak.
Do you play cricket? Do you speak bluntly? Do you speak business? Do you speak politely? Do you help your mother? Do you help your mother in kitchen? Do you prepare breakfast? Do you prepare lunch? Do you help your mother? Do you play deep in cat? Do you go to school by do you go to school on foot? Do you ride a bike? Do you start your own business? Do you drive a car? Do you cut her hair? Do you comb her hair? Do you cross the red light? Do you break the law? Do you consult with doctor? Do you consider her mistake? Do you meet the doctor? Do you punish her? Do you punish her?
Next, deep.
Did she help her mother? Did she take medicine? Did she do dishes? Did she wash the clothes? Did she sweep the floor? Did she clean the clothes? Did she rub the whiteboard? Did she teach her? Did she speak bluntly?
Next.
Did she speak bluntly? Did she speak this? Did she speak in French? Did she solve this puzzle? Did she solve this question? Did she teach me math? Did she teach her student? Did she teach her student? Did she speak in French with foreigners? Did she go to abroad with me? Did she go to school on foot? Did she purchase a dress for me? Will she help her mother? Will she take medicine? Will she help her grandpa? Will she consult with doctor? Will she meet doctor? Will she consider her mistake? Will she go to abroad with foreigners? Will she ride a bike? Will she start her business? Are you a doctor? Are you an engineer? Are you a pilot? Are you a scientist? Are you a back dancer? Are you a singer? Are you a dancer? Are you a hawker? Are you a greengrocer? Are you a grocer? Are you a peon? Are you a clerk? Are you a butcher? Are you a soldier? Are you a general? Are you a commander? Are you a police? Are you a commander? Was she an engineer? Was she an engineer? Was she an author? Was she a voter? Was she a peon? Was she a clerk? Was she a clerk? Was she a author? Was she a cook? Was she a driver? Was she a pilot? Was she a teacher? Was she a lecturer? Was she a student? Can she drop me at home? Can she switch on the fan? Can she switch on the light? Can she teach me? Can she solve this puzzle? Can she drop me at home? Can she click the photos? Can she clean this room? Can she decorate my room? Can she celebrate his birthday for me? Can she read a novel for me? Can she write a letter? Can she read her diary for me? Can she teach me Hindi? Is this a whiteboard? Is this a mask? Is this a stool? Is this a chair? Is this a table? Is this a marker? Is this a whiteboard? Is this a poster? Is this a cloth? Is this a stool? Is this a file? Is this a almirah? Is this a vessel? Is this a mask? Is this a sanitizer? Is this a poster? Is this a whiteboard? Is that a poster? Is that a poster? Is that a stool? Is that a chair? Is that a marker? Is that a stool? Is that a towel? Is this a file? Is that a flower pot? Is that a stool? Is that a shoemaker? Is that a shoe? Is that a shoe basket? Is that a food basket?
Very good. Next, Harshit, speak 20 sentences of any one quote.
Okay, sir. Do you ride a bicycle? Do you ride a bicycle? Do you ride a bike? Do you operate the computer? Do you operate the laptop? Do you buy a cycle? Do you buy a car? Do you ride a bike? Do you drive a car? Do you go to the home? Do you go to the Patna? Do you distribute sweets? Do you read at night? Do you talk to her at night? Do you sleep at night? Do you read at night? Do you walk in the morning?
Okay, next, did
Did you mop the floor? Did you appreciate the music? Did you pour water? Did you pour water? Did you cross the red light? Did you appreciate the music? Did you
admit your child? Did you abuse other? Did you go to the Patna? Did you
fast, very fast.
go to the home? Did you go to the Patna? Did you come from Patna? Did you go to the abroad? Did you speak fluently? Did you speak bluntly? Do you speak politely?
Next.
Is this pen? Is this red pen? Is this book? Is this poster? Is this mic? Is this pen? Is this sweater? Is this shirt? Is this jeans? Is this shoes? Is this computer? Is this laptop? Is this table? Is this mic? Is this table? Is this chair? Is that the Orator Institute? Is that a road? Is that pen? Is that black marker? Is that camera? Is that a boy? Is that dog? Is that cow? Is that black cow? Is that bull? That is. Thank you.
ओके तो इसी तरह हम लोग और फ्लुएंसी टेस्ट करते रहेंगे डिफरेंट काइंड्स के। तो आज का जो फ्लुएंसी टेस्ट का सेशन है इसमें 8 स्ट्रक्चर दिया गया है। इसमें आप यू विल आल्सो गेट अ प्रैक्टिस एट योर होम एटलीस्ट 1 आवर और मैक्सिमम 2 आवर्स। आप इसको बोल बोल कर फास्ट प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो अब हमारे सामने न्यू स्टूडेंट जयनाथ यादव। जयनाथ, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो यू विल स्पीक 6 स्ट्रक्चर, वन ऑफ देम। आप इसमें से किसी में से 6 स्ट्रक्चर को आपको बोलना है। 20 सेंटेंसेस एवरी
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रक्चर। ओके, टेक इट, स्पीक।
Do you go to office? Do you go to Patna? Do you go to school? Do you do this? Do you get job? Do you
टर्न दिस साइड।
job? Do you take medicine? Do you take medicine? Do you take tea? Do you do this? Do you drive a car? Do you take liquor? Do you make a noise? Do you make pretend? Do you see the doctor? Do you note the tie? Do you tie the note? Do you drive a car? Do you play the flute? Do you play battleground? Do you take?
नेक्स्ट, टेक द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर।
Did you go to office? Did you go to college? Did you go to school? Did you make pretend? Did you make a noise? Did you take medicine? Did you take tea? Did you take liquor? Did you drive a car? Did you ride a bike? Did you ride a bicycle? Did you take tea? Will you go to Mumbai? Will you go to house? Will you go to?
हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? नर्वस?
Yes, sir.
डोंट वरी। नेक्स्ट टेक विल।
Will you go to Mumbai? Will you go to house? Will you make pretend? Will you take medicine? Will you take liquor? Will you take tea? Will you play tip and cat? Will you play battleground game? Will you use the mobile? Will you operate the computer? Will you operate the laptop? Will you take liquor? Will you make a noise? Will you do dishes? Will you get job? Will you do job? Will you?
नेक्स्ट टेक द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर।
Can you go to Mumbai? Can you go to house? Can you make pretend? Can you go to school? Can you take tea? Can you take medicine? Can you take liquor? Can you do dishes? Can you get ready? Can you
डोंट वरी। नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर।
is this a pen? Is this a mic? Is this a table? Is this a stand? Is this a computer? Is this a laptop? Is this a flowerpot? Is this a mic? Is this a marker? Is this a table? Is this a chair? Is this a shirt? Is this a watch? Is this a photo? Is this a chair? Is this a shirt? Is this a bag? Is that a car? Is that a fan? Is that a switch? Is that a chair? Is that a bag? Is that a table? Is that a mobile? Is that a computer? Is that a
ओके गाइस, तो आपने देखा कि some students spoke very well, they speak very fast. The next student Sonia, she is also a new student, she will speak in front of you. Then are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, speak.
Do you go to school? Do you go to Patna? Do you do dishes? Do you jump from top floor? Do you mop the floor? Do you do dishes? Do you Chandigarh? Do you go to market? Do you make pretend? Do you naughty that? Do you tidy up? Do you take medicine? Do you consult with doctor? Do you see the doctor? Will you go to Mumbai? Will you go to school? Will you go to Patna? Will you go to Mumbai? Will you do dishes? Will you mop the floor? Will you churn the curd? Will you tie the knot? Will you backbite? Will you churn the milk? Will you fetch the milk? Will you bring water? Will you consult with doctor? Can you do dishes? Can you go to a Patna? Can you go to shop? Can you churn milk? Can you fetch the milk? Can you bring water? Can you make pretend? Can you do dishes? Can you tie the knot? Can you not the tie? Can you backbite? Can you make pretend? Can you cross the red light? Can you cross the road? Can you take medicine? Can you do dishes? Can you make pretend? Can you see the doctor? Can you consult with doctor? Is that a book? Is that a pen? Is that a clock? Is that a page? Is that a file? Is that a marker? Is that a mic? Is that a mobile? Is that a mic? Is that a shirt? Is that a pant? Is that a jeans? Is this a lawyer? Is this a book? Is this a pen? Is this a...
You have seen that all students try to speak very fast. Next students, Prince. You all know that Prince means Rajkumar. He is really a prince. Prince, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please speak.
Do you play cricket? Do you play marble? Do you play table tennis? Do you take table tennis? Do you take liquor? Do you take medicine? Do you take tea? Do you take coffee? Do you take bath? Do you take bread? Do you play cricket? Do you consult with doctor? Do you see the doctor? Do you consider your mistake? Do you speak with judge? Do you speak with friend? Do you speak fluently? Do you speak
Next picture.
Did you play cricket? Did you play marble? Did you play table tennis? Did you play cricket? Did you play tip and get? Did you take tea? Did you take medicine? Did you take liquor? Did you take bath? Did you take bribe? Did you speak it? Did you consider your mistake?
Next.
Is this a book? Is this a pen? Is this a marker? Is this a table? Is this a chair? Is this a poster? Is that a watch? Is that a shoe? Is that a shirt? Is that a boy? Is this a car? Is this vegetable? Is this a fruit? Is this a poster? Is this a towel? Is that computer? Is that a
Very good. तो जैसा कि आपने देखा सभी स्टूडेंटों ने बहुत अच्छा कोशिश किया. तो आई होप यू विल आल्सो ट्राई टू स्पीक वेरी फास्ट, नॉट ओनली हियर बट आल्सो along with your friends, family members, relatives. So guys, you will also try to speak anywhere in only English. Already written here, only speak in English. If you get practice, definitely be a well speaker. It's a first best to you, and you must speak always. So viewers, thank you for watching video.